To create an invoice within our system, we need first to define the lead that we want to create the invoice for example, this one here. And when we are working in the list overview, we can go to actions and click on the invoice button, or from the cart overview, we can basically open the lead that we want to create invoice for and go over here in the navigation to the last step, invoice module. Then over here, we can see on the left side the designs that we created, on the right side the customer information. Then here on the top, we can add the invoice number, for example, the 123. Then we can add over here some descriptions, and over here we can add how many percent of the whole amount we want to include in this invoice. Like, for example, we want to send the invoice for the prepayment, and we agreed within our quotation with the customer that the customer need to pay 30% in advance, and now we want to create the invoice just for this 30%. Then we can simply add over here the percentage amount that we want to calculate within this invoice. Then over here, we have the possibility to add some discounts. It is optionally, of course. We can add over here the discount in euro, and over here add the description of the discount. And here, similar, like in the quotation, we have a kind of last check possibility where we can check if all the data that we added into the lead are correct. When we find some incorrect data, we can change it, of course. And then over here on the right side, we can see the templates for the invoices. So in this environment, I have just one template, but basically we can create as many templates as we want, and then choose which one we want to use for this particular lead. So then we're clicking on Save and Generate Invoice. So the invoice was generated. Now we can open it. And now we can see this is the invoice. So as I said, the templates are 100% adjustable, so the customer can change the template how he wants. We're delivering the standard templates with our invoice module, and the customer can also use our template when he wants. So after we created the template, we can go back to the profile page of the lead. And here under created documents, we can see we created the invoice, and we have the possibility to send the invoice to the customer, similar like we did with quotation. So basically now the system chose here the email template that we created for sending of invoices, and we can double check if the email address is correct over here. And when yes, we can simply send the document to the customers. You can also download this document from here or preview this document from here.